How to make a list on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to make a list on Excel is go to the app. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner and click on this little option. After you click on it, you will find this page. All what you have to do is go down until you find make a list option. Click on it right here. And here you go. Now this is a template ready list. To all what you have to do is edit by clicking easy and fast. As you can see, it's very easy to edit, very easy. And after you finish, click here in the top corner and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.